Here's a beauty just in it, unique, especially in classics. And these are getting tougher and tougher to find, especially in this shape. 1995 Chevrolet Tahoe LS lifted 4x4. And catch this, just a little over 58,000 miles on this. Beautiful SUV. 5.7 liter V8 paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission. That's what's underneath this steel cowl hood. That is not fiberglass. Nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this front grille. Chrome on the bumper. Bright work up front, looks good. Paint on this shows well. There's a few little spots. It's black. You're gonna have a spot where maybe you can see a little bit of touch-up work was done along the lines. But well taken care of. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see this vehicle from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where all the still pics are. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see wheels nice condition, factory style wheel. And as they say in the business, knee deep in rubber. And you'll be able to see a close-up of the rims and tires in the still pictures. Just go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. Of course, fender flares. And sides are not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. What you would expect with the actual miles that it does have on it. Interior, let's take a little peek because that is as nice as the exterior. Take a look at the seating surface and buckets up front, center console, fold down armrest, fold it up on the driver's side. Very stock looking interior. Dash looks good. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a little closer look at the interior then. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this thing for a drive too. Take it down the road, show you how it drives out. Those lower rockers look good. They're not all chipped up. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the bottoms of the doors and how solid they are. You'll be able to see in the rear cargo area, there is a bed mat back there. Nice formed one. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Sorry about the noise in the background. Detailed departments hard at it over there, getting more cars ready for us to picture up and do videos on. There you can see the chrome in the rear bumper and, of course, the trailering package. Speaking of the detail department, hard at it getting us vehicles. If you're into classics, maybe you like these lifted 4x4s, sports cars, turn of the century stuff, street rods, whatever it may be, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. These vehicles are all available to purchase when the videos are done and uploaded, and they're uploaded daily. So let's take a look. You can see the reflection in that black paint, how nice it looks. Let's take a look down the driver's side. Again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find an imperfection here or there. It's black, but overall, look at that paint. Reflection in it, how good it looks. Again, wheel flares, those lower portions of the doors and rockers. Wow, the black's like a mirror. All right, let's move on to the interior. So, of course, LS package, still nicely equipped. And you can see how this was equipped from Chevrolet back in 1995. There is a window sticker with it. There's also the owner's manuals that will be in the glove box. Of course, power windows, power locks, power seat over here in the driver's side. Want a quick hit on some of the service work that was recently done too. This does have new wheel cylinders and brake shoes in the rear and new pads up front, just so you know. Tilt column, cruise control. Whoops, and I said it was a little over 58,000 miles. Sorry. What I wanted to tell you was a little over 57,000, so it's 57,800. That is actual miles. Top of the dash, great shape. We kind of looked at that passenger seat a little bit earlier. I'm going to show you the driver's seat here in just a second. Start it up. You'll be able to see the rear seats in the still pictures. AM, FM cassette radio. Let's click this on a second. Radio working fine. No check engine lights, warning lights, anything like that. Gauge is working. Just a flashing my seat belt since I don't have that on. Then look at this seating surface. Hardly anywhere, not discolored. Again, what you'd expect. That kind of miles. Again, fold down armrest. Door closes nicely. This does have a little bit different exhaust if you look at the underside. I believe it was a true dual. Nice little rumble coming out of that. 342 rear end. And again, check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see that window sticker if you want to know exactly how this thing is equipped. Let me pause this a second. We'll check out that engine bay, and then remember, stick around to the very end. We're going to drive this thing. Show you how it goes down the road. There's the hood popped. Check out the underside of the hood, hood liner. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is, the 5.7 liter V8. Power steering, power brakes, AC, automatic with overdrive trans. Looking very stock also. Nice and clean, what you'd expect. It's a beauty, folks. Looks as good in person as does the pictures and videos. 1995 Chevrolet Tahoe LS, lifted 4x4. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1995 Chevrolet Tahoe with about the perfect stance, in my opinion. It's a good height. We've got a cowl induction hood. All the style of this truck's looking good. Showing only 57,781 miles on the odometer. And it does feel like a low mile car. Truck, I should say. Great rumble in that exhaust. Our gauges do appear to all be working well. The oil pressure is showing about 50 pounds. Factory tachometer working. Factory stereo. Sounding good. Very nice condition. Cloth bucket seats in this truck. Nice smooth ride. Sometimes when a truck is lifted or has a little bit bigger tires, the ride is affected. This one rides really nice. Power brakes are working very well. Doesn't lean too much, it takes the corner nicely. Like most small block V8 Chevys, it runs like a champ. It purrs very nicely. Check out all the pictures of the inside and out and underhood anywhere you'd like to see of this Chevy Tahoe at UniqueClassicCars.com.